Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ernie. How are you today?
I'm good.
You are? Well, today I wanted to tell you about something very interesting.
Oh, good. I like interesting.
Okay, good. Today's story is about love.
Oh, good. So it's about tomatoes.
No, it's not about tomatoes.
But I love tomatoes.
You love tomatoes?
I love them.
Okay, well, maybe. Oh, okay, then we'll use that. You love tomatoes.
Yeah.
What if somebody else who loves celery?
What's that?
You know, the green stick that's like crunchy when you bite it?
Blech.
Oh, what if somebody else loves celery?
Well, that's okay, but I love tomatoes.
Okay, what if somebody who loves celery said that you couldn't love tomatoes?
But why would they say that? Tomatoes are so good.
Well, what if they just thought that it wasn't in your best interest to like tomatoes and that everybody could get along better if everybody just liked celery? So you should just like celery. Love celery and only celery. Celery is the only vegetable.
But it's not.
Well, but maybe they don't know that because they've only met celery.
Well, I will show them tomatoes and they have to love tomatoes.
No. Do you want them to make you have to love celery?
No, I just love tomatoes.
So maybe you can love tomatoes and maybe they can love celery?
As long as I get to love tomatoes.
Well, if they don't know about tomatoes, maybe you can tell them about tomatoes. Maybe they'll like tomatoes, and maybe it's okay if they still don't.
But I still get to love tomatoes. Tomatoes are so good.
Yeah, I know you love tomatoes.
And it's almost gardening time.
It is almost gardening time. Some of us already started.
Let's do that. Let's do that right now.
Not right now. We're going to have church right now. We're doing church right now with everybody.
But I love them.
I know. So today, I want you to think about how in a garden, there's enough room for tomatoes and for celery.
Yeah, you don't have to just pick one.
No, you don't. And so the people that we love and we get to share our garden with, that there are all kinds of wonderful ways for the garden to grow.
Yeah, and maybe even watermelon.
Yeah, and maybe even watermelon.
There could be more than just two choices.
That's right.
And you don't have to like all the choices.
No, you don't have to like all the choices. And there'll still be enough tomatoes for you even if we share the garden with the watermelon.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah, it does sound good. Can we pray that we will let our garden grow?
Yeah, but there are still tomatoes.
Right, with tomatoes. Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for tomatoes.
For growing the difference in our garden.
For growing different things in our garden and tomatoes.
And that we kindly share our space.
And that we kindly share our space with tomatoes and other things.
So that all people
can
love and enjoy
and
share in what brings them delight.
And what brings them delight, like tomatoes.
Knowing that all of it glorifies God.
Knowing that all of it even glorifies God.
Even the celery.
Yeah, the celery too.